Today I'll be taking us on a guide on how to convert your existing Facebook account into a Facebook page so that you can start making money with it. You might be wondering, why is it that your friends are making money through Facebook and you are not making money? Why you have a lot of friends? Most people have almost 5,000 or more than 5,000 friends in their page, but those friends have not been converted into followers so that you can begin to make money with your Facebook account. Any Facebook account that is not converted into a Facebook business page can never generate you any income. So your advantage of having an existing account that has many friends, you can now convert those friends to followers. So how do we do this? So without further ado, let's head into the tutorial. What I will do now, I will have to locate my Facebook app. Yeah, you locate your Facebook app, you click on it. It takes you to your Facebook account. So what is the next thing to do? You go to the top right, left corner rather, of your page and click on that your profile picture there. You click on it. It will bring you to your main profile settings. Here now you have a add story, you have edit profile, then you have at the extreme end you have this three dotted line. You click on it, that is your menu. Then you scroll down, you look for where they have turn professional mode. Then you turn on the professional mode. Now it brings you to this interface. Then you go ahead and click on turn on and wait for it to load. Okay, you are here now. Look at what we have here. You can choose your default audience, whether you like by customization, public suggestion, or friends. Whichever one you want to choose, you can choose it. Here they said public, anyone can see what you share and interact with your public content. You can choose that public can interact. You can choose only friends. You can customize it and choose people that you want. But in this particular tutorial, let's go with public. Okay. You can go to public or you say friends. Okay, it brings us to this page where you say use public default audience setting. You want to confirm, then you confirm it, click done. Now you can see finish setting up your profile. Tell people about yourself and what you use your profile news professionally towards to connect with your audience. Here basically they want you to tell your audience, you have to describe what your page is all about. Review privacy setting. You say review audience setting. Let's click on review audience setting. You go through them. If there is anything you want to change, you can make the change. What you click on. Like this, you can begin to create content. As we are here now, this particular, you can create content, you can link your WhatsApp number to this account, whichever one you want. You can connect to your audience, but rightfully now you have converted your Facebook account into a page. So let's go back and see how this page will look now. You see here now it has converted all those friends to followers. Now I have 1.2k followers, but before, these followers have been in a friend mood. They are not into page like this where you will see followers. What you normally see here is friends, but now it has turned to followers. With this page now, this Facebook page, if you create content here, you can begin to generate income for yourself. So you can do any other setting from here. You can create other pages that you run different ad on, different content. You can create this particular one and use this one to promote your product. You create another page to do other things. So this is it. Our page has been created. This particular Facebook account has been turned into a Facebook page. So guys, this is it. Very simple. See you in the next class.